Today, I'm going to show you how to get YouTube Premium for 3 whole months for free. Yep, you heard that right. 3 months of ad-free YouTube, offline downloads, YouTube Music, and all the premium perks absolutely free. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need a Google account. So, make sure you sign into your account on YouTube. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and create it. It's quick and easy. Next, let's head over to the YouTube homepage. You'll need to open the YouTube Premium sign up piece. Now, so what you can do is try 1 month for $0 or save. You can simply tap on start free trial. Now, click on confirm. YouTube usually offers a 3 month trial of YouTube Premium, but there are a few things you need to know. To get this free trial, you'll need to enter your payment details like a credit card or PayPal, but don't worry, you won't be charged until the end of the trial, and you can cancel anytime before that to avoid any charges. Once you've completed that, you're all set for the 3 months of YouTube Premium. With YouTube Premium, you can enjoy ad-free videos, offline downloads, background play, and access to YouTube Music. Plus, you get YouTube Originals, which is pretty awesome for binge watching exclusive content.